Hi guys, welcome to my mom's kitchen. But it's my cooking. So let's start. Come on. So today we are gonna do mint leaves pudina pachadi. So these are. You can see what is this? It's mint leaves. So here are the fresh mint leaves. So what I did is take all the leaves from the stem and soak it in the water and leave it for some time in this plate or any plate. So here I took it out. Here is another plate, and to add masala on these leaves, we add chili for me, because chili is a masala type of thingy, and this is coconut, and this is dhania leaves, and this is dhania seeds, and these are curry leaves. So we need to add few more ingredients. So I took these, which is salt, turmeric and tamarind, and a sweet, which is jaggery. You should only take jaggery things. So just now I showed you tamarind and jaggery sweet. So before that we have to take the jaggery and tamarind sweet and soak it for 10 minutes. Only for 10 minutes. Now you saw all the ingredients for the cooking. Now you have to see the cooking. So now I'm going on the stove. Now we have to add half spoon oil. This is half spoon. Okay. And now we are gonna pour it in the pan. Now let us add the ingredients to roast. So first, should we take this? Okay. So first let me add the curry leaves. Oh no, it's gonna splutter, so be far from this thing. As I told you. Okay, now let's keep this aside and just a little bit stir it. Okay. Now add rest of the items. For rest of the items, it will not splutter, so I'm not going far. Now zigzag. Now the coconut. Now it's the coconut. Oh! Now let's stir it. Oh. Strong essence are coming out of this chili. Oh yeah. At last, let's add the coconut. You don't have to be deep roasted, so now I'm offing it. Now you have to pour it in the mixer jar, so you have to grind it. Now it's time to add turmeric and salt. Careful. And you should add the salt. I'm gonna on it again. And now we are gonna. So we have to. Why I on this? We have to fry the curry leaves and dry it, roast it and dry it. Now we have to put 1 spoon of oil, not half spoon. Okay. So now we are gonna put these. I forgot it. These also you have to put. In the mix. So now we are gonna use cold water. Better if you put with your hands because it's already and so we are gonna mix it. Allow stirring things. And now we are gonna take this holder and hold on and stick it. Wow. Nice smell, isn't it? Fry it until it gets darker. Dark, very darker. See, these leaves are getting shrinked. Wow. So, I love talking and I want to talk. I will give you some tips. So here it goes. You have, for small children, whenever you cook, you have to tie your hair like this. And when you on the stove, you should be careful. And you saw me put those leaves, these leaves, and it sprouted, right? In that time, you should be careful. See? Adults, you should not allow small kids to cook. Like 3, 4, 5, 6. Until 6 you should not cook. 7, 8, 9, 10. Rest of the age, you can cook. And now I'm 10, so I can cook. And do you know something? My birthday is at November 14th. I'm lucky. Now it's cooked. You have to off it. Okay? And see how it is turned. Wow. Unbelievable. Okay. Let it cool for 5 minutes. Off it. He got it pretty short. Oh my god.
Sravya, you have pending task.
Sorry. And now it's cool, so add this ingredient to the mixer jar. Now let's hold this sucker on and then oops. Careful, 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 careful. Entire pachadi from the jar into the bowl, right? And now see, you can see all the texture. And you can add this to some rice for eating lunch mainly. And if you want to add anything, other things else, you can add your wish. And now I'm gonna eat it. So I just kept a plate on it. I just kept here and some ghee for the taste. And I'm gonna mix it like this. Now the ghee is all mixed into the rice, and now we made this Pudhina chutney, right? And I'm gonna take some. So now here. Very nice. If you like it, please share, subscribe, subscribe and like. Okay? Bye. Got to eat it.